This is an introduction to help you prepare for your UK driving test. If you have a driving instructor, hopefully they've already explained the details of your test. If you're going independently, please go to the test centre and look where and how other driving instructors park the car ready for the test. Usually they will back into a bay parking space. Some DSA examining stations have their own parking. If they do, you're more likely to do a bay park as one of your manoeuvres. If it is a public parking area, please don't forget to pay for your parking ticket. You don't need any more expenses on top. Remember, you need to have a suction mirror if you're in your own car to enable the examiner to see behind, and learner plates back and front of your car, easily available from any car accessory store. They would prefer it if you did not arrive any more than 10 minutes before your test is to begin. This enables those who have just been on test to leave the area. When you arrive, wait in the waiting room and put your provisional licence and theory test certificate on the table. When the examiner comes in and calls your name, stand up and show him your paperwork. They will ask you to sign a piece of paper in a box. This confirms that you have lived in the UK for at least 185 days in the last 12 months and that your car is insured for test. If you have your own car, please check with the insurance company, as some do not have this as standard. The examiner will then ask if you would like someone to accompany you on the test. If you say yes, they will sit in the back of the car and they will not be able to make any movements or expressions to give you any indication if you are doing well or not. They will then walk outside with you and ask you which is your car. This is so they do not ask you to do an eyesight test on your own car. If you fail this, you will not be able to continue with the test. They will ask you to either open your bonnet or get into the car and wait for them. At this point, they walk around the car to make sure it is legal for the road. You will then be asked your show me, tell me questions. Please make sure you know them. There is no point in being marked down right at the start. Some questions may require you to turn the ignition on. Please do not start the car until they say to do so. They will tell you that you'll be driving for about 35 to 40 minutes and that you'll be told well in advance if they wish you to turn left or right from major to minor roads or vice versa. And, for example, at roundabouts, they will say something along the lines of, please take the 5th exit to turn right. Otherwise, presume that you're going straight on. So know your road signs, for example, a no through road or a no entry road. During the test, you'll be pulled over to the side of the road approximately 7 times. For example, uphill start, downhill start, to tell you which manoeuvre, pulling off at an angle, possibly to do emergency stop. Always do your pulling in and pulling off from the side of the road procedure correctly. Please remember you require a different approach to your driving for progression routes and urban routes. You can fail if you're on a progression route that is clear and straight and you stay at 40 miles an hour. Be confident, but not cocky. When you arrive back at the test centre, it is not over until you've switched off your car. So many students fail in the car park due to lack of observations and relax as they think the test is over. Whether you've passed or failed, the examiner will then complete the form, and they will then tell you if you've passed or failed. Either way, they will explain, for example, that you have a particular driving fault or what you were marked down for in the test. If you have passed, you'll be required to hand over your provisional licence to be sent away to be changed from a green to a pink licence, in which case, congratulations. If you have already been in a test, you're obviously at test standard. Book in for a new test as soon as possible, but you will not be able to take it for another 10 days. It is not advisable to drive away from your test. If you have passed, you'll now not be insured, as you're no longer a learner driver, and if you've failed, your concentration may not be as it should be. Hopefully, you'll be in possession of one of these when you have completed your test. If so, many congratulations. First impressions are good. Dress comfortably but respectfully. Have a nice clean car. Good luck, and please ask any questions you have. Very much looking forward to seeing you soon. I'll be posting more videos and slides very soon on how to teach driving with examples of most common reasons to fail the UK driving test. Please keep watching.